Hey guys, in this lesson, let's talk about how to get into the right trading mindset. Now, trading, like I've said before, is an emotional game. You need to identify yourself as a person. Are you emotionless? Are you very emotional? Do you have gambling tendencies? So going to see someone who can help unlock you to identify who you are as a person, because we think we know who we are. Actually, we don't. Go and find a specialist that will help you unlock yourself to identify who you are as a person, because you're never going to make it in the trading game if you have like gambling tendencies, if you're incredibly emotional where you're going to just get overwhelmed with the emotions of trading. So understand yourself. You've got to have patience. Patience is very important in trading. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Train your brain to act and think quicker. And at PFX, we recommend certain apps to use, like apps on your mobile phone, which you can use that will help you act and think quicker. Why? Because trading is impulsive, guys. It's impulsive, and you must have quick thinking to make these type of decisions when you're actively trading, depending on how you're also going to be trading as well. We always recommend reading. Reading is very important because it helps develop your knowledge. So you're going to understand a lot more what's happening in press conferences with data releases, and this ultimately helps you with your fundamental analysis. Control your health and diet. Remember, being in the best form helps you think a lot more clearer. With a clearer mind, you're going to have less impulsive fear of missing out type trades. And so definitely control your diet and your health. Next, belief. You've got to have the right belief, believe in yourself, have the right attitude, let go of your pride. Don't think that you know it all. So many people believe they know how to trade. No, you don't know how to trade, because if you're looking at YouTube videos, if you're searching on Google of how to trade, you don't know how to trade. You want to learn how to trade. So don't be afraid to ask for help and get yourself educated. This is a game in which we want to master the skill, right? Trading is a life skill which you want to achieve. And so ask for help, get yourself educated, let go of that pride, get the right attitude, and believe in yourself. And those guys will get you up and running to help you on how to have the right trading mindset.